Dear student, myself Dr. Shrikant, VL College of Pharmacy, Raichur. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest video. Who are not subscribed, subscribe the channel for the latest updates of the videos. So today we selected a topic, dusting powder. Today we selected a topic, dusting powder. Many of you know the dusting powder which are available in the market. As an example of the Candid dusting powder or Nebusulfur dusting powder. Candid dusting powder or Nebusulfur dusting powder or Neosporin powder. Okay, so those are the common example which is available in the market. Okay, so what are these dusting powder, and what are the types of dusting powders are available in the market, and what are the ideal properties of the dusting powder, and one example of the dusting powder. Okay, so today we are going for the discussion of these parts. Let me start with the what are the dusting powder. Okay, what are the dusting powder? Dusting powder are the class of solid dosage form. We remember in the classification of dosage form, in the classification of powder dosage form, we mentioned the solid dosage form. One example as a dusting powder. So dusting powder are class of solid dosage form. They are finally subdivided in homogeneous form and used for the external powder. Okay, so we were discussing in the last videos, we have said that internal powders are external powder. It is in one example comes under the external powder. How it will be there? It is a class of solid dosage form, finally subdivided, and they are homogeneous and used for the external purposes. What it contain? It contain one or more active medicaments. Okay, one or more active medicament, and these active medicament are mixed with suitable additives. These active medicaments are mixed with suitable additives by ascending order. See the word, the mixing, when we are taken in the video, we enlightened what are the different types of mixing. So here the active medicament are mixed with suitable additives and ascending order. So additives are nothing but inert substances, and these dusting powder are meant for the external application. That is very much important. Don't write the internal, it is used for the external purposes. Next comes the types of dusting powder. Types of dusting powder. Mainly there are two types of dusting powders are available. One we call as a medicated dusting powder, another one we call as a surgical dusting powder. What are these? Again, the differentiation between the medicated and surgical. So these medicated dusting powder are mainly used for the superficial skin conditions. These are used for the superficial skin condition, and they are not used for the wound or broken skins. Okay, so that is why they are called as a medicated dusting powder. For example, Candid dusting powder is there, prickly heat dusting powders are there. Though we are commonly using for the external purposes. Whereas coming to the surgical dusting powder, they are sterile. You see the word surgical means should contain the sterile, because used for the body cavities and applied on wounds. So that is why they are called as a surgical dusting powder, and these surgical dusting powder should be sterile and used for body cavities, applying for the wound for the healing. And these surgical dusting powder sprayed for the burnt, placed on umbilical cord of an infant, and also in a surgical area, which is commonly used. The most commonly available, the example of surgical dusting powder are the Neosporin powder, Nebusulfur powder. Okay, so this is about the medicated as well as the surgical dusting powder. हम ये टॉपिक कौन सा है? डस्टिंग पाउडर एज एन वो एक टॉपिक लिया, वो भी एक एग्जांपल ऑफ ए सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म एंड एग्जांपल ऑफ ए पाउडर डोसेज फॉर्म. सो एग्जांपल ऑफ ए एक्सटर्नल डोसेज फॉर्म. सो डस्टिंग पाउडर क्या होता है बोले तो सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म रहता है, पाउडर फॉर्म रहता है, उसके अंदर एक या दो और एक से ज़्यादा भी मेडिकमेंट रहता है. वो मेडिकमेंट मिक्सड विथ द एडिटिव्स एंड इन ए असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ ए मिक्सिंग, एंड दिस डस्टिंग पाउडर यूज़ करते हैं फॉर एक्सटर्नल पर्पजेस. ओके, एंड दो तरीका का डस्टिंग पाउडर रहता है, एक मेडिकेटेड डस्टिंग पाउडर बोलते हैं, एक सर्जिकल डस्टिंग पाउडर बोलते हैं. मेडिकेटेड डस्टिंग पाउडर मतलब कॉमनली हम लोग जो बाहर यूज़ करते हैं ना एक्सटर्नली, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए मेडिकेटेड डस्टिंग पाउडर, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए सुपरफिशियल स्किन. Okay, and not used for the wounds. wounds or the broken skin, this medicated डस्टिंग पाउडर यूज़ नहीं करना। अगर हम लोग वुंड्स को और ब्रोकन स्किन को यूज़ करना बोले तो और एक डस्टिंग पाउडर बोलते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं सर्जिकल डस्टिंग पाउडर। दिस सर्जिकल डस्टिंग पाउडर बहुत स्टेराइल रहता है एंड यू कैन यूज़ इट फॉर द एनी बॉडी कैविटी के ऊपर भी डाल सकते हैं, पर्टिकुलरली जब वुंड रहता है ना उसके ऊपर भी डाल सकते हैं। एंड स्प्रे टू द बर्नट एरिया एंड अम्बिलिकॉर्ड जो रहता है ना ऑफ इन्फेंट का, वो भी हीलिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। एंड दिस सर्जिकल एरिया कभी ऑपरेशन हुआ कभी सर्जरी हुआ वो टाइम पे भी हम लोग ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट points of the dusting powder and medicated and surgical dusting powder. Let me discuss some are the ideal properties of the dusting powder. मतलब डस्टिंग पाउडर कैसा रहे तो बहुत अच्छा रहता है, तो उसके लिए क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ रहना। सो शुड बी होमोजीनियस, वो तो बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर होमोजीनियस रहते ही ड्रग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रॉपर रहता है। शुड बी स्टेराइल, स्पेसिफिकली द सर्जिकल डस्टिंग पाउडर रहता है ना वो कम्प्लीटली स्टेराइल रहना। और डस्टिंग पाउडर शुड नॉट इरिटेट टू द स्किन, इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं नॉन इरिटेंट। Dusting powder should have the good flow property, because when you pouring onto the skin, the powder which is present in the container, it should come out easily. So that is why it is called as a good flow property. It should have the good adsorption and absorption property, and it should have the good adhesive property, spreading property. It should be कवर प्रॉपरली। फॉर एग्जांपल 1 किलो पाउडर नहीं डाल सकते, एक जगह पे हम लोग हाथ को डालना या आंख के ऊपर डालना बोलता है, इसे स्प्रे करें तो उसको स्प्रेड कवर होना, तो वो अच्छा रहता है, इसको बोलते हैं कवरिंग प्रॉपर्टी। एंड ऑल दिस डस्टिंग पाउडर फ्री फ्रॉम द ग्रिटी पार्टिकल। जो भी डस्टिंग पाउडर आता है ना उसमें बड़ा पार्टिकल बहुत मीडियम पार्टिकल नहीं रहने, एक ही यूनिफॉर्म जैसे डस्ट रहता है ना वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल। ओके, सो जैसे फेस पाउडर हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, अगर ग्रिटी पार्टिकल आए तो हमको इरिटेट होता है स्किन में। सो सिमिलरली डस्टिंग पाउडर में भी कौन सा भी पार्टिकल नहीं रहना। ओके, सो दीज आर द सम इम्पॉर्टेंट आइडियल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द डस्टिंग पाउडर। वी टेक एन वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द डस्टिंग पाउडर. As an example, the prescription contains talc 51 gram, kaolin 15 gram, precipitated chalk 21 gram, zinc stearate 3 gram, boric acid 5 gram, aluminum chloride 3 gram, salicylic acid 5 gram, perfume quantity sufficient. This is one example of the dusting powder. And whatever the dusting powder is there, first point is that you have to make the reduce into particle size and pass through the sieve number 60. That is in the first step. And after that you pass through the 100 sieves and make the very fine powder. उसके बाद क्या करना है, you have to be weigh individual ingredient according to the prescription. And third step is that according to the geometric mixing you have to be mix the each ingredient with the one another. And उसके बाद क्या करना है, transfer to the label container. So यहाँ पे जो डस्टिंग पाउडर जो भी आता है आपको मालूम है नैरो माउथ रहता है, छोटा मुंह रहता है, बड़ा कंटेनर रहता है, उसको बोलते हैं नैरो माउथड। ओके, उसके बाद लेबल करना, उसको डिस्पेंस करना। सो मोस्ट कॉमनली द एक्सिलरी लेबल शुड कंटेन दी फॉर एक्सटर्नल यूज ओनली एंड स्टेराइल अंटिल द ओपन, मतलब सील ओपन करने से पहले बहुत बढ़िया स्टेराइल रहना उसको। Once the seal is open, the sterility is maintained by the user, not by the manufacturer. So this is about today's class. What we discussed, what is a definition of dusting powder, what is an example of dusting powder is available in the market, and the types of dusting powder, and in that the medicated and surgical dusting powder, what is the difference between the medicated and dusting powder, and what are the ideal properties of the dusting powder, and one example we taken as a dusting powder, and how this dusting powder is method of preparation will be done. So I told very clearly, first is the sieving, then again first size reduction, then sieving, again making the fine particle with this passing through the sieve, and again weighing the each ingredient, again you to mix with the geometric mixing and transfer to the label container and packed and submit the dusting powder. Hopefully understand this dusting powder very easiest method. So we will continue the next part of our video with the next topic. Thank you very much for watching this video.